What did you learn today at the hospital?
Today I learned that what we can do is like change like stuff in the hospital, and like from the old hospital to the new one, it's going to be much different.
What I like most is that we get to look at how we can do things better and make it more fun and more welcoming for the kids and families.
What's your role today?
Today I came to a meeting about how we can use creativity and play and art to help kids when they're in hospital.
So my role was participating, listening to some of the scenarios and joining in brainstorming some great ideas for the future for our hospital.
We have just been trying to find solutions to challenges that have to deal with kids in a hospital setting, and they might have certain injuries that inhibit them from being able to play or have creative time. So we're trying to figure out ways we can implement that into the hospital rooms and settings.
What I'm most proud of is really listening to the consumers. So we've been able to get bigger bedrooms based on their feedback and bigger lounge rooms for them as well. I think all the single patient bedrooms are a good idea so that kids can have their family stay, and then if you come with your mum and your dad, there's spaces for both parents to stay as well. So I think that's a really good thing we're doing.
Well, we went to Westmead Hospital and we're interviewing and reporting, and we're doing the same thing here at Randwicks Hospital.
I'm proud that the project has really listened to the children and their families, and we've changed things because the kids have told us they don't like what we've done, and we've been able to change some of the things to make them purpose-built for kids, so I'm really proud of that.
What's your role in the hospital?
Well, I work for the company called Toy Diplomacy, and we're running the workshops over the next few days, and I think it's really great. I really love seeing adults talk with children and listening to the kids' ideas.
What did it feel like today watching all this stuff?
It's been good. We're just in the middle of workshopping with all the adults and the Big Voices Committee, getting some ideas of what the new hospital could look like.
What was your role in today's workshop?
I was here as a participant to listen to what all the children have to say about what we're planning and get their ideas.
What was your favourite part about the meeting? Like what did you do to have fun?
I liked the plasticine part, but I also liked hearing that everybody else wanted the same kind of things that I wanted to have. So that was nice to hear too.
I absolutely loved it. I thought there were some really good designs, especially the waterfall. That was really cool. So I hope we can take some of these ideas on board and make them happen. Yeah.
Sometimes the adults forget about the kids, and I think that's really important that you remind us about the kids and what the kids want.
Wow!